Welcome back, friends. Today, as you can see, we will study about classification of viruses. Already I discussed about structure of virus before. If you missed that lecture, I already put the link in the cards of this video. From there you can watch the structure of virus, then it's easy to understand classification of virus. Today I am sharing you classification of virus on the basis of their genome. Means, as you know, either virus will contain DNA or RNA. So on the base of DNA and RNA, we will classify the viruses into families. And then what is the shape and size? As you know, the nucleic acid material DNA or RNA is surrounded by a capsid. Capsid is made up of capsomeres, and that capsid forms three type of shapes: icosahedral, helical, or complex. So we will see the size also. Size, just you remember for general knowledge, because it's difficult to remember the size of each virus families. So you have to remember families, you have to remember shape, and either they are containing envelope, as you know, the made up of lipoproteins. So some mostly viruses containing envelope, and some viruses containing they are non-enveloped. And then we will see in which family what viruses are important and what diseases they are causing. So in this lecture, basically we will focus on the classification of viruses based on RNA and DNA. Now we will start. First, if you will see, and in this lecture we will focus only medically important viruses. So first we will start from RNA viruses. That RNA viruses, first family, that is Toga virus, and the shape is icosahedral and size is 60 to 70 nanometer, and they are containing envelope. Plus means envelope is present. And which virus is coming in this family? That is Ruby virus and alpha viruses. And diseases: Ruby virus can cause the disease rubella and congenital malformation, and alpha virus is causing fever, arthritis, and rash. Second is Boyona virus, that is helical in shape, 90 to 120 nanometer in size, and they are also containing envelope. And the viruses coming in this family are Rift Valley fever virus and Hantan virus, that is causing fever, and VHF. VHF is viral hemorrhagic fever, and Hantan virus is causing VHF, renal diseases, and pulmonary syndrome. Next is flavivirus, that is complex in shape and size is 40 to 50 nanometer, that also containing envelope. And the most important virus as and most common virus also, and medically very important virus that coming in this family is hepatitis C. And hepatitis C is virus will cause the disease hepatitis C and liver carcinoma. So now you can remember hepatitis C causing virus is RNA virus and related to flavivirus family. Next is filovirus. Filovirus is helical in shape, 80 to 1000 nanometer. They are also containing envelope, and the virus coming in this family are Marburg virus and Ebola virus, that is causing viral hemorrhagic fever. Ebola virus is also very important to study. As you know, in Africa there is always, we will listen about Ebola virus, so that will cause viral hemorrhagic fever. Next is arena virus. Arena virus shape is complex, 50 to 300 nanometer in size, and that also containing envelope. And the viruses coming in this families is lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus, and as you can understand from the name also, this causing disease meningitis. And next is Rhabdovirus. Rhabdovirus is helical in shape, size is 75 to 180 nanometer, that is also containing envelope. And that virus coming in this family is very important also, rabies virus causing disease rabies. Next is paramyxovirus. Paramyxovirus is helical in shape, 120 to 300 nanometer in size, that also containing envelope. And the viruses coming in these families are measles virus, parainfluenza virus, mumps virus. As you know, measles virus will cause measles, parainfluenza virus will cause the disease bronchiolitis, and mumps virus will cause disease mumps. So measles and mumps also are caused by virus, that is RNA virus, and family is paramyxovirus. Next is orthomyxovirus. Orthomyxovirus is helical in shape, 80 to 120 nanometer in size, that also containing envelope, and the virus coming in this family is influenza ABC virus causing disease influenza. Next is coronavirus, that is helical in shape, 60 to 220 nanometer, also containing envelope, and the virus coming in this family is coronaviruses, that causing infection, respiratory infection, and common cold. Next is retrovirus. Retrovirus is icosahedral in shape and size is about 100 nanometer, that also containing envelope, and the viruses coming in retrovirus family are HIV-1, HIV-2 virus, HTLV-1 and 2 virus containing that will cause the disease AIDS, HIV, T-cell leukemia, lymphoma, and paralysis. So now if you will notice on board, the important virus hepatitis C virus and HIV virus both are belong to RNA virus families, and also rabies virus, Ebola virus, coronavirus, influenza, measles, mumps. These all viruses, if you will notice, these all viruses will come in RNA family or RNA viruses. Now we will move to next type of viruses. Next family that is coming in RNA virus is picorna virus. Picorna virus is icosahedral shape, 20 to 30 nanometer, and they are not containing envelope. Minus means envelope is not present, and the viruses coming in this family are hepatitis A virus, rhinoviruses, polioviruses. Hepatitis A virus will cause hepatitis A, rhinovirus will cause cold, and poliovirus will cause poliomyelitis. Next is reovirus, that is icosahedral in shape, 70 to 80 nanometer, and envelope is not present, and virus coming in this family is rotavirus, that will cause disease gastroenteritis, and mostly in small babies this gastroenteritis problem mostly will caused by rotavirus. Last one in RNA virus family is calicivirus, that is icosahedral in shape, 27 to 38 nanometer in size, and envelope is not present, and the virus coming is hepatitis E virus, that will cause disease hepatitis E, and norovirus will cause gastroenteritis. Now we will move towards the DNA virus family. DNA virus first family is pox virus, that is complex in shape, 250 to 400 nanometer size, that containing envelope, and virus coming in these families are orthopox viruses and parapox viruses. There are different viruses include in orthopox viruses and parapox viruses. If I will remember, or if I will write all, it's difficult to remember, so I just write main viruses. Orthopox virus will cause smallpox, and parapox virus will cause pustular dermatitis and skin nodules. So now you can remember smallpox is caused by DNA viruses, while measles and mumps was caused by RNA viruses. Next is herpes virus, that also very important virus, that is icosahedral in shape, 120 to 150 nanometer in size, that also containing enveloped, and virus coming in this is human herpes viruses causing disease, cold sores, oral and eye infection. Next is Hep adenovirus family, that is one of the most important virus family, icosahedral in shape, 42 nanometer about size, that also containing enveloped, and virus coming in this family is hepatitis B virus, that will cause hepatitis B. Next is delta virus, that is helical in shape, about 37 nanometer in size, that also containing envelope, and that is family containing virus hepatitis D virus, that will cause hepatitis D. Here one important point to be just to remember and for knowledge, that those patients who have hepatitis B, only that people will be affected by hepatitis D virus. So hepatitis D virus will infect only those who have already hepatitis B virus. Last one in this, not last in only in whiteboard, it's the last that written is adenovirus. Adenovirus is icosahedral in shape, 70 to 90 nanometer size, and that envelope is not present, and virus coming in this family is adenovirus is 1 to 49, and that will cause disease, sore throat, pneumonia, conjunctivitis. Now we will see remaining DNA virus families. Next is written on the top of whiteboard. You see DNA virus, papovirus, papovirus. No, sorry, papova virus. Now I pronounce right. Papova virus, that is icosahedral in shape, 45 to 55 nanometer size, and envelope is not present, and that virus coming in this family is papilloma virus and JC virus. Papilloma virus will cause disease, warts, carcinoma of cervix, rectum and penis, and JC virus will cause rare neurological disease in immunocompromised patients. And last one DNA virus in this family is parvovirus. Parvovirus icosahedral in shape, no, envelope is not present, and virus coming in this family is B19 virus, that will cause disease, childhood fever, rash, and that rash will be on cheeks, aplastic crisis and hydrops fetalis. Now if you will notice in this board, now only DNA virus, all families name written. We started from pox virus, herpes virus, herpesvirus, delta virus, adenovirus, papovavirus and parvovirus. So this was the classification of viruses that is based on the type of genome. They means on the base of DNA and RNA, and on the base of family, form and size, envelope, and what viruses and what the diseases. I hope now you got the classification of viruses in a easy way. Structure of virus already I discussed, so this lecture is going to complete here. If you want to learn any new topic, please do write in comments, and if you like that video, please press the like button also to appreciate. Thank you so much. I will meet you with new lecture as soon as possible. Until that, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.